Hi, I'm Anna with MoveSpring. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use an existing map in the MoveSpring Racetrack Creator. Let's head to the Racetrack Creator, which is accessible from the Challenges tab in the Admin Center. Once you've opened the Racetrack Creator, select Edit to choose a racetrack type. Today, we'll be using an existing map, so I'll keep the selection on Choose a Map from the MoveSpring library. We'll then need to enter a racetrack name. This name will only be visible to you in the Admin Center, so choose a name that you'll remember. We'll call this racetrack My Custom Racetrack. Click Save, which takes us back to the main screen. Next, select the Edit button within the Your Map section. This will take us to a page where we can choose a map from the options presented. Scroll through the maps listed here. You can select any map from our library of options. Our newest, most recently created maps will be listed at the top. Just click Select to pick the map that you want to use. If you accidentally select the wrong map, or you decide that you want to change maps, you can just click Edit again to be taken back to your options. Click Select on the new map that you'd like to choose. Note that the maps from our library are set in stone. You will not be able to change any of the scenes that make up the map or the path that moves across the map. The path is preset by our design team to ensure it flows smoothly from beginning to end. Now that we've selected our map from the library, it's time to upload our custom milestones. You can check out our video on uploading milestones to your map, linked in our resources in the description, for more help with milestones. We hope that this video helps you as you create your own custom virtual racetrack. If you have any additional questions, please visit help.movespring.com. From all of us here at MoveSpring, happy stepping!